What is going on, PitchGrounders? In this video, I'll be talking about how you can make your own social media calendar and make the whole process of content creation from daunting to a cakewalk.
Are you a part of our insanely amazing Facebook community? If not, click the link in the description to join. We share value posts every single day under the hashtag PitchGroundDaily.
I really don't know why people struggle so much with creating content. I think that's one of the main reasons why you struggle with creating content is because you don't have a proper framework to design and create content. A proper framework to identify the correct ideas and convert them step by step into an execution plan that will ultimately result in your from the idea stage to the execution stage. Content calendar is essential, and today I'm exactly going to show you how you can make your own content calendar for your own business social media handles and grow your accounts. I have logged into Trello, guys. This is how the Trello interface looks. It's super simple, super easy. Here, as you can see, the sign, it's called Teams Plus. So what you can do is you can click on here and add a team and collaborate with your team. Trello is a great project management software. And then you have boards that you can access by clicking on the top right corner, the plus icon. So you click on this plus icon, it allows you to create a board, create a team, create a business team, and whatnot. I think business team is only available with the pro subscription, which is the Trello Gold. And let's go with our existing boards that we have created right here. This is the Techonation board, and we are looking at the YouTube content schedule board under the Techonation team. So you can make lists like this by clicking on the add another list option. And I have made a sample list like this where I have written all the video ideas that I have in my mind and all the video ideas that have to publish by this specific date. Let's say this idea, which is top 3 fitness apps on the Google Play Store. I click on this pencil icon and change due date to 23rd of October and save it. So let's say I'm working on this idea, which is find out who's on your Wi-Fi and add my team here. I can move this idea to like this, which is drag and drop to script written. And again, move this back. So you can move this front, back, edited, and upload it to tabs. Isn't that really simple, guys? It's really easy. You get to know what you're working on currently, what is your content creation process, and whatnot. And once you click on this tab, which is the calendar option, you can access it by clicking this, and it shows you what content has to be published at what date. It gives you clarity, guys. And this is how you create a content calendar and set up a content creation framework using Trello. I'll show you an example of the Authority Site System board by Susan and Gail Britton of authorityhacker.com. They are creating an authority site, as you can see here. The authority site creation process has been streamlined into 4 different tabs, which is first is the keyword research, second is getting the site up by customizing, getting the domain name, the themes and all that. Third is creating a commercial content. Fourth is creating the backlinks, uploading, skyscraper technique and whatnot. They have done step by step. Let me click on this. As you can see here, with each of these tabs, you can add a description, you can add outcomes, you can add like checklists which can be used, and you can copy this from others inspirational boards. As you can see, this is a public board which is visible to everyone. They've also added links which will redirect to some other websites which they've added. As you can see, that's how you can use Trello to create content and create a content calendar for your brand, for your business and all that. So that's how you create your own content calendar. Wasn't that really simple, guys? So if you like this video, please share it, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. You know the routine, of course. And if you see any business struggling to create content and to create content consistently without a process or a framework, do share this video with them. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.